Hello friends! Today we'll open the Dell Pro 16 PC16250. As always, you'll find everything about the laptop in our detailed text review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Let's go. We start with a Japanese industrial standard number 1 screwdriver, but you can also use Phillips type. Let's undo the 9 captive screws holding the bottom panel. The screws stay in the cover, so nothing rolls off the desk. Using a thin plastic pry tool, we begin releasing the locking clips around the edge. Skip the section in front of the heatsink. Pushing the tool too deep there can bend the fins. We finish loosening any stubborn screw, pop the last clips, and lift the cover away. To remove the battery, we first disconnect its cable from the motherboard. Next, we undo 5 screws. One comes all the way out, the other 4 are captive in the battery frame. You can check the result of our battery life test on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video. Don't forget to visit our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page for more stamina champs. We removed all the screws. Let's remove the battery now. Then we'll have a look at the rest of the components. The laptop offers one M.22230 slot for PCI Express 4 storage and two DDR5 SODIMM slots for memory upgrades. We removed the M.2 drive. This unit ships with the Micron 2500 NVMe 512GB Gen 4 stick. You'll find information about the storage speeds and the SSD reliability in the full review on laptopmedia.com. This is the wireless card, an Intel AX211 Wi-Fi 6E module, fully replaceable should you want Wi-Fi 7 down the road. And finally, here is the installed 16GB SK Hynix SODIMM, with the second slot still free for easy dual-channel upgrades. Both DIMM slots officially support up to 32GB running at 5600 megatransfers per second on Core Ultra processors, for a total of 64GB DDR5 RAM. Here's a 360 degrees view of the insides of Dell Pro 16. Thanks for being with us today. If you want us to open more machines, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out our detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below the video.